Welcome, friends. Today is an exciting day as we dive into one of the most influential books on personal finance and wealth creation. Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting to dip your toes into the world of finance, this book is packed with valuable insights and practical advice that can help you achieve your financial goals. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the world of Rich Dad, Poor Dad together. If you're interested in learning more about Rich Dad, Poor Dad, be sure to check out the link in the video description to purchase the book. Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki is a book that has changed the way many people view money and wealth. In this book, Kiyosaki shares the story of his two dads. His biological father, who was highly educated and struggled financially, and his friend's father, who was a successful businessman without any formal education. Through the contrasting experiences of his two dads, Kiyosaki outlines key financial lessons that anyone can use to achieve financial success. The most successful people in life are the ones who ask questions. They're always learning. The book begins with Kiyosaki's childhood memories of his two dads and their different perspectives on money. He then moves on to discuss the importance of financial education, explaining how it can help individuals make better financial decisions and achieve financial independence. It's not about how much money you make, but how much money you keep. Throughout the book, Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of building assets, such as real estate or businesses, rather than relying solely on income from a job. He also discusses the concept of cash flow and how it is a key indicator of financial health. One of the most powerful messages in the book is the idea that the rich don't work for money, but rather they make money work for them. Kiyosaki provides practical advice on how to shift one's mindset from being an employee to being an investor and business owner. The rich focus on assets, the poor focus on income. Overall, Rich Dad, Poor Dad is a must-read for anyone looking to take control of their financial future. It provides a new perspective on money and wealth and offers practical tips and advice on how to achieve financial independence. By reading this book and applying its teachings, readers can gain the tools and knowledge they need to become financially successful. If you're interested in learning more about Rich Dad, Poor Dad, be sure to check out the link in the video description to purchase the book. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button below to stay updated on our latest content.